I got myself an Uplift desk about a month ago and I have been loving it. But the one thing I failed to get at the beginning was a great power strip for the desk. And I've been trying to shove all my power cords in kind of awkwardly, and then I realized that Uplift actually makes power strips that attach to the base of the desk, either onto the frame itself or you can drill into the bottom of the desk. So I went ahead and got their 8-outlet surge protector. That is perfect. There's a lot of space between each plug, which gives me a lot of control. It has the on-off switch, and then it has the lights for protected and confirming that this is grounded. And then it has the points on both ends to screw it in wherever you want. You can put this facing towards you on your desk or hidden on the back side of your desk, whatever is best to you. I will be hiding this, and I love that it has this exceptionally long cord. I know this is 6 feet and it looks like another 4 feet, so I'm pretty sure this is a 10-foot cord, and that is huge, as it means not only can I get further away from the desk to where the outlet is, but also as the desk goes up and down, this gives you a lot of wiggle room to work with, so your cord is not getting too tight. And while I'm sure I could have found a different surge protector that I could have attached to my desk, I really wanted to go with Uplift, not only because I know it's a quality brand and this will be a surge protector I can trust, but it also comes with all of the hardware I need for my desk specifically. So if I want to mount it to my desk frame, these are the mounting brackets I'll put on first before I mount it to these. I can also mount it directly to the underside of my desk just with screws. Or I can mount it to my desk with these desktop brackets that will screw into the desk and then have it hang exactly where I want it to be. And of course it comes with all the hardware I need for any of the attachment options. So overall, I am really impressed. I am thrilled to get this attached to my desk, and I know that it will improve my desk experience. So if you have an Uplift desk or are considering getting an Uplift desk, definitely consider this surge protector. I know you'll love it just as much as I will.